to change text color on any section in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change text color on any section in Shopify. So in that case, you have to first of all go and log into your Shopify account, and then you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go to your sales channel. And under it, you need to go to theme. When you do that, you'll be able to see the theme option, and in the right hand side bar, you'll be able to see, go ahead and select that. As you do that, you'll be able to see your info piece. So first of all, go ahead and select the gear icon from the top left hand side bar. And when you do that, on the other page, you need to go to custom CSS. You just have to scroll down when you are unable to see this option. And when you do that, you'll be able to see this option or the field where you can go ahead and paste in the code. I'm going to leave the code on my description box below. So all you have to do is just go ahead and press on it. And when you do that, go ahead and press the save button. Right, type in the email address, and then you need to go ahead and type in the email address, and once again go ahead and select custom CSS. And then after that, on the next field, you have to go ahead and type in the code. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. So this is basically the code. I'm going to leave it on my description box below. When you paste in the code, then go ahead and press the save button, and automatically your fonts will be changed. So in this way, you can change the text color on any section in Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.